In this video, we will download dataset needed for our Power BI Bootcamp. I have already added a link in the description below. Just scroll down and click it. This dataset is from the Codebasics Resume Challenge project, where they provide free dataset every month and encourage learners like you and me to solve real-world problems. And this is really a great opportunity to develop our skills. And once you complete the challenge and submit your project, you may even get a chance to get featured in the website as a winner. And this is really great for your LinkedIn and your portfolio and your resume. Click the link below in the description. It will lead you to this page. And now click practice now. And it will ask you to log in with your Google or LinkedIn account. So please kindly log in. And once you log in, then again click practice now. And now it will ask you are a student or a professional. If you are a student, then enter your college name and your PIN code. If you are a professional, then go through this process. Once you complete this step, then click confirm. I'm not going to type in because I have already downloaded a dataset. So once you complete these steps, then click confirm. And now you can see this download file button here, and click it and the dataset will be downloaded. And I'm going to create a new folder. Call it ECLS analysis. And the file we have is a zip format, so you need to extract it. That we have different types of data available here. And in the upcoming videos, we will discuss about the problem statement and then primary and secondary questions and the metadata. The next video, we will go over the problem statement, because without knowing the problem, we can't give right solution. And so make sure to download the dataset correctly, and I will see you in the next video. And a huge thanks for Codebasics for providing these free resources, and which is really helpful for us to learn with real world data. And huge thanks for Codebasics.